So for all you new Cybertruck owners, the first thing you should probably consider is getting some all-weather floor mats. So before you buy those from Tesla, watch this video. So Tesla's official Cybertruck mats are $295 and you get a 3-piece set, and it looks just like this. It is made by WeatherTech. You can see it does have the official Cybertruck logo right there on the two mats, and then the big mat has it in the middle. Now here are 3W's mats, and these are interesting because these come with a carpeted snap-in layer. So you want the ruggedness and all-weather mat underneath. If you know you're just daily driving and you want to have a more refined look in your Cybertruck, you can snap in this carpeted layer, and it will just add a level of luxury and refinement to your vehicle. If you know you're dealing with a wet, rainy day, or you're dealing with mud and dirt, just unsnap these little inserts, and then boom, you've got your all-weather mat ready to be used. Easy to take out, spray it clean, put it back in, and then insert your carpeted mats whenever you would like. This is very nice, adds a level of luxury to your Cybertruck and gives it a more refined look instead of just the all plastic look for the all-weather mats. Now, what makes the 3W liners better? Well, here is a 5-piece set, and this 5-piece set with my coupon comes in cheaper than the 3-piece set from Tesla. You get a frunk mat right up there, you get the two front, driver and passenger, and then you get the rear floor mat, and then you also get a mat for under the bed storage area. Now, you don't have to buy the carpeted set. If you don't want that, that's fine. They have an option to buy just the all-weather mat version without the carpeted inserts, and it'll come in at about $220 for the entire 5-piece set. Still way under Tesla's 3-piece set cost. So right off the bat, I like these. They do have a deep channel that goes all the way around. That's going to protect your floor. Any water or anything you get in here is not going to run off and go into your carpet. It's going to be blocked by those channels. All-weather mats allow you to just pull these out, spray them down, hose them down, clean them, dry them, put them right back in your car. It's going to protect your floor. These pretty good weight to them. What I do like on these is they have this 40-degree kind of little point that's on the bottom of them, and that's going to help dig, like keep these from sliding under your feet. Those little points are going to dig into the carpet, and so to keep these things from sliding around. You don't want floor mats that slide around under your feet. Now, here is the 3W mat with the carpeted insert installed. You can tell instantly on the visual upgrade it provides. It gives your truck a little level of refinement. Just looks nice. Will add to a little bit of sound deadening as well, because now you have the extra layer of carpet here. That's going to help absorb some sound. You can see it has a nice heel pad here to provide you some comfort as you're driving or sitting and letting the vehicle drive you. But it just looks much better than the rugged all-weather mats. All right, here is the passenger side 3W mat installed with the carpeted insert. It's just going to be a lot more comfortable under your passenger's feet. It's a nice, soft, cushy layer of carpet, but visually it blends into the interior better. The choice here is not just about protection, it's also about what kind of cabin feel you want every day. So this is really what separates these options. Tesla gives you a straightforward all-weather liner. 3W gives you two choices. You can either go full rugged with the all-weather liner and still save money, or you can spend a little more and get that carpeted insert version, and it'd still be cheaper than Tesla's 3-piece version. And they just snap in just like that. Now here is the one in the back. You can see the carpeted insert looks fantastic. It fits perfectly, And the all-weather mat is right underneath if you want to remove it. So, fantastic. All right, so here is the frunk. Now these are really going to be nice for me because I own a food trailer, and I store ingredients like salt, sugar, and stuff up here, and then you can see like I get salt, sugar, and stuff. It gets out and leaks out of the containers. I've been trying to keep it clean. This is going to be a lot better for my use because if I get sugar, salt, or something on this, I can just pick this up and shake it out instead of before I was worrying about like it getting under here where the bolts are that hold this in place, and I actually like removed this and was vacuuming down in there because I didn't want the salt and stuff to go down underneath there. And now I don't have to worry about that. Now I got me a good mat. And this is pretty grippy, so stuff in here is not going to slide around that much. That was another thing I found. Putting stuff in here, it was sliding around. That's why also I put these little hooks here, is so I can hang like grocery bags on them, and that way it keeps them from flopping around. But just a helpful tip. But there you go, that's the frunk mat. And again, this is just fresh out of the box. So you can see it's got a little bend here where it was folded up in shipping. But with some heat and a little bit of time, that's gonna just lay flat. So that's it. So if you are looking for mats, hope you found this video helpful. They also have a awesome bed mat by 3W. This keeps everything from sliding back and forth. I've got a video on my channel, so if you're interested, go check out that video. And thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See ya.